Hi, this is week 13, assignment 2. So if you go to assignment 2, basically it's going to tell you that you have to create a article just like we just made for the for the Holocaust, for Florida Holocaust and the Holocaust week. You have to create an article about one of these 3 topics: daylight savings, you can pick a country in Africa, or the Summer Olympics. Okay? It must have different font, 3 different sizes. You have to indent. You have to do 2 different styles. You have to have it 1 picture. You have to change the spacing, and you have to have a link to the informational website. It has to be about one of these 3 topics. So if you click here, it will give you an example. So this one is basically just something about American football. I changed the font and the size and the color for these 2 and these 2. So that means you have to have 4 of them. So you can have here, and you can have 2 paragraphs, and then you can have these 2, and then 2 paragraphs. You can copy and paste from Wikipedia. Make sure it is appropriate. Okay, so you have to have 2 paragraphs. You have to indent them. You have to change the spacing. You have to make sure you can do this, either you can do it by manually or you can use the styles. And then at the bottom you're going to put a picture and a link about whatever your topic is. So if it is about South Africa, you can put a map of South Africa, or you can put a clock for the time zone, whatever it is. But it needs to have all of these, which is what we learned in assignment 1, and you need to create a readable article using the skills that I taught you. If you have any questions, please let me know. If not, have a wonderful week, and I will see you soon.